Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends. We are going to do our play.
Okay, so this activity is very simple one. In this activity, we are basically going to learn about ordinal numbers. And as you have as you're seeing, I have taken few flags. I have taken the numbers and I have put it. And these are few dough balls. What she is going to do when I tell the number or the ordinal number, she is going to fix it on the dough ball, the flag on the dough ball, and then put it in the position. Okay.
Now stop.
Okay, the first ordinal number first. First. Take it slowly. Yeah. Hold it from there. Yeah. And put it on the dough. Okay, now find the position first. Where is first? Very good. Okay, you have to make it sit on this. Okay. This is first. Good job. Next. Number third.
Third. Okay.
Third.
First, take the third.
That is what? Is that third? I told third.
Third.
Third. Very good. Third. I'm not doing it sequence way so that she will have to also use her brain. Okay, third. So find the position third.
Okay, third.
Very
sit
good.
And make it sit.
And make it sit on third. Now number seventh.
Seventh.
Ordinal number seventh. Seventh. Very good.
Ordinal number
seventh.
Seventh?
Yes.
Now find, first put the ball, first put it in the glass.
Yeah. On the dough, and then where is seventh?
Find it and put it to sit.
Yeah, it has to sit. Very good.
Because it's going to fall.
Okay, no problem. Now, ordinal number 10th.
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 10th?
Yeah, first find 10th.
10th?
Very good.
Slowly
bring it
and put it in the Play-Doh.
Yes, and then 10th. Good job. Good job. So you can see here it's very simple. Nothing I did. I cut a few flags and I have just done, as they know the numbers, it's very easy for them to recognize the ordinal numbers. Only they have, by doing this, they will be learning the sounds like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. They will be easy. Okay.
Look.
And in this way also she is enjoying it because she is not thinking it's a study. That's why she is enjoying it too. You have to arrange them in a proper order. You have to arrange them in the proper order. What is the order? For first, which one will come? It's okay, it's okay. First, which one will come? First. Yes. First. Keep it here. Yeah, first. Very good. Now second.
Second and first.
That is that second? Very good. Second. Good job. Now third.
Third.
Very good. Now fourth.
Fourth?
Yeah, fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Good job. Eighth. Ninth. And
10th.
Very good. So can you read them out now, Anaika? You just
First.
read. Yeah.
Second.
Yeah.
Third.
Yeah.
Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Seventh.
Eighth.
Ninth.
10th.
Very good. So when I tell, can you take out one ordinal number? Please take out this ordinal number. What is this ordinal number called?
6.
Very good. Take it, bring it front. Yeah. No, together. Put the dough here, put the flag here and bring it front. Yeah, we can ask them from the, not in a sequence, but in different way. Third. Third.
Third.
Very good.
But
Slowly. Yeah. Now bring the ordinal number ninth. Very good. Bring the ordinal number second. Bring the ordinal number 10th. Bring the ordinal number 5th. Yeah. So to make it more interesting, what she is doing it, she has taken the numbers
and put it on the sticker.
Stickers. She is sticking the numbers according to the ordinal numbers.
See, first we have to put 1,
First,
and 9, and 5, 8, 6, 7, 3, 2.
you did not put 1. Okay. So now again
And 1.
Very good. So can
and
you read
4.
out the ordinal numbers? This is?
This is number 1.
No. What is the ordinal number? How do we tell the ordinal number?
First.
Very good. This one?
Second.
Very good.
Third.
Very good.
Fourth. Fifth.
Yes.
Sixth.
Yes.
Seventh.
Yes.
Eighth. 9th.
Yeah.
10th.
Very good. Good job. So in this way they are learning, and they're also enjoying the activity, and they are understanding how to do and what are the ordinal numbers, how to pronounce them. Good. So as you can see, she has already told all the names of the ordinal numbers. I will be making her do few worksheets on ordinal numbers, which will make her more clear with the concept. Okay, so if you like our activity,
subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.